हाय दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल नॉलेज पेन। आज 21 जून 2021 है। चलिए आज की वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। इससे पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। हमारा कल का सवाल था, हु इज़ चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ कर्नाटका? द आंसर इज B.S. Yediyurappa. Let us move on. Today's first question. International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on June 21. From which year we celebrate International Yoga Day? The options are A. 2018, B. 2017, C. 2011, D. 2015. इंटरनेशनल योगा डे हम हर साल मनाते हैं। इंटरनेशनल योगा डे कौन से ईयर से इंटरनेशनल योगा डे मनाया जा रहा है? ऑप्शंस आपके सामने हैं। द आंसर इज डी, 2015. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी introduced the concept on 27 September 2014. 27 September 2014 during his speech at UN General Assembly. The resolution to adopt on June 21. Today is 7th International Yoga Day. The theme of 2021 is Yoga for Wellness. Next question is, who is elected as 8th President of Iran? The options are A. Ibrahim Raisi, B. Hassan Rouhani, C. Mohsen Rejai, D. Amir Hussain. The answer is A. Ibrahim Raisi. इब्राहिम रईसी, आगे बढ़ते हैं। इब्राहिम रईसी ईरान के 8वें प्रेसिडेंट हैं। इसी तरह फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ईरान कौन थे? अबुल हुसैन बनी सादर इन द ईयर 1980। ईरान की कैपिटल है तेहरान। इसकी करेंसी है ईरानी रियाल और यहाँ पर ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज है पर्शियन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हेन वाज celebrated International Father Day? The options are A. June 21, B. June 20, C. June 16, D. June 17. The answer is B. June 20. Most of the countries celebrate Father's Day on June 20. Several nations, including the US, UK, India, France, Turkey, Philippines and South Africa, observe Father's Day on the third Sunday in June. Next question is, which country has topped in the World Competitiveness Index 2021? The options are A. Singapore, B. India, C. Switzerland, D. Sweden. The answer is C. Switzerland. Last year, Singapore was topped in the list. Sweden is ranked second in the 2021 list, and India has ranked 43rd in the list. Next question is, recently, Asian Development Bank has approved a $250 million loan to which country for resilience program due to COVID-19? The options are A. India, B. Pakistan, C. Bangladesh, D. Iran. The answer is C. Bangladesh. The headquarters of ADB is Philippines. The leader of ADB, Masatsugu Asakawa, They founded ADB has founded on 19th December 1966. आगे बढ़ते हैं। बांग्लादेश के प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं शेख हसीना और इसकी कैपिटल है ढाका। द करेंसी है बांग्लादेशी टका। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन वाज सेलिब्रेटेड गोवा रेवोल्यूशन डे? द ऑप्शंस आर ए June 20, B June 18, C June 15, D June 19. The answer is B June 18. It is the 75th Revolution Day was celebrated in Goa. The Chief Minister of Goa is Pramod Sawant. The Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. The capital of Goa is Panaji. The official language is Konkani. The famous airport in Goa is Goa International Dombalim Airport. Next question is recently passes away Milkha Singh was famously known as. The options are A Flying Jet, B Flying Sikh, C Spider-Man, D Flying King. The answer is B Flying Sikh. Recently Milkha Singh died in the age of 91 due to coronavirus disease. He had achieved the Padma Shri award. Next question is which country recently passed anti-LGBT law ahead of election 2022? The options are A Kenya, B Denmark, C Hungary, D Switzerland. The answer is C Hungary. The president of Hungary is Jonas Adair. The capital of Hungary is Budapest. The currency of Hungary is Hungarian forint. Next question is the National Reading Day is marked every year on which day? The options are A June 19, B 18 June, C 20th June, D 17 June. The answer is A 19 June. CBSE, that is Central Board of Secondary Education, celebrated 26th National Reading Day on June 19. The National Reading Day first time celebrated in the year 1996. The chairperson of CBSE is Manoj Ahuja. The headquarter of CBSE is New Delhi. तो फिर चलिए आज के लिए बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू।